Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import a font. First, we'll cover understanding different font file types like TTF and OTF and the importance of checking licensing. Then, we'll discuss finding reliable sources for downloading fonts safely. This foundational knowledge ensures you start your font journey correctly, avoiding common pitfalls and ensuring compatibility with your projects. Next, let's get those font files onto your computer. You'll want to download your chosen font from a trusted website, often as a compressed or zipped folder. Once downloaded, locate this folder and extract its contents. This step is crucial to access the actual font files, typically ending in TTF or OTF, which are necessary for installation. Now that you have the font files, installation is straightforward. Simply open the font file, usually by double-clicking it to see a preview of the typeface. You'll then find an Install button, click it to add the font to your system. After installation, you can confirm its presence in your operating system's font settings. Finally, let's use your new font. It's a good idea to restart any open applications, like word processors or design software, after installation. Then, navigate to the font selection menu within your chosen program. You should see your newly installed font listed there, ready for you to select and apply to your text. Enjoy your fresh typography.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.